Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about a topic that's been on lots of people's minds, and there's a lot of opinions out there. Working from home. Success or a failure? So here we are 2+ years after the pandemic, and overnight we had to pivot. We had to figure out how to work from home. We had to figure out how to manage the staff, keep everyone safe and healthy, all the while wondering for how long we needed to do all these things. So what did we learn? Well, one, it takes a unique person to work from home, stay productive, stay healthy, stay focused, and know how to take care of themselves. Some staff didn't set boundaries. They were on 24/7. They wanted to be sure everything was going well, and they really didn't consider that they would eventually hit burnout by making themselves so available. Others were just overwhelmed with the news, with family, with concerns, with anxiety. They were just frozen and really couldn't produce. They were just overwhelmed. Some had wanted to try this work from home thing for a long time, so they thought, great, let's give it a shot. How can we make this work? And then they put on a few pounds and maybe ran up some credit cards with the online shopping. Maybe they were pulled in some daytime TV dramas, kind of succumbing to those distractions. You've got to put boundaries on this. Others, they got home, and then not only did they have to figure out how to work from home, they had a shared space with their kids doing the homework and textbooks on the table, and they were trying to manage how to have an office and a school at the same time. Basically, routines were just smashed. If you were used to going to the gym, if you had a routine to keep yourself healthy, it was just completely shut down. So we share some of the findings and some of the things our clients shared and some of the things we saw in our May 2022 newsletter, and I would encourage you to read it. It's not a long read, but we do share some of those findings. You know, this work remote thing is not going to go away. The pendulum will probably swing a little bit more as people go back to the office, and it might come back again a little bit in the middle. So with all that was learned, there are some questions. Can we find a way to make this successful? Can we determine which roles and people styles will be the most successful and are the most suited for remote work? Can we take advantage of a wider talent pool by hiring the right person for a remote role? Lots to consider here. It might be time to sit down, do some focused brainstorming, and put a plan together on how you can actually take advantage of what we learned in a very difficult situation. So I encourage you to check out our May 2022 newsletter. Thanks for your time, and have a great rest of your week.